The world's first 100% free traffic AI. 1x click of the traffic loophole. Our 100% free traffic AI bags. $635 in 3 hours without paid ads, without content creation, and without SEO. We hit that blast button once and get paid $7 per campaign with GPT traffic. 12 beta testers. Made money within the first 24 hours. Includes 635-day case studies. No experience required. Make AI profits on any device. Zero expenses. Our app. Does it all new. 65 billion free traffic loophole. You're fast track to the laptop lifestyle 365 money. Back guarantee plus. Get results or get paid here. Don't delay. The offer expires today. This new AI traffic app pays me 7 per campaign, but my ChatGPT agent does the work. Listen up. What I just discovered is insane. It pays me for every campaign blast on every social network site. But I don't create any of the content myself. In fact, my ChatGPT traffic agents do absolutely all the work, and they bring me leads, traffic sales on autopilot. Take a look at the traffic I'm getting every day. That's right. You're looking at traffic I get from every social network that ChatGPT sends. Building a list on complete autopilot. It's how I turn these automated AI campaigns into $7 ChatGPT cash for every AI campaign deployed. And it's all possible because GPT-4 is the perfect social network loophole. 3 strange new steps to cash in with GPT-generated social network traffic. Step 1. Launch. Open up Traffic GPT and launch your first agent. Step 2. Deploy. Activate the agent and watch as it gets you traffic and builds your list. Step 3. Commissions. Watch as the software generates GPT cash from AI-created content. Click the link in description to know more.